So to hang the front plate, you'll see the cutout right here of where the bumper is. It doesn't sit like this. That cutout sits right in that groove. You can see it. And you can see that many people have been here without a bracket. They just kept bolting the plate to the bumper. So now with the bracket, I wish it was covering most of the holes, but it doesn't. So sometimes you'll see GM will come with dimples, and that's usually the mounting bracket holes for this. So it looks like at one point someone just bored them out to a rather large size. So that's not going to work for me. So I'm just going to go to the side of it and see if I can get them to mount in. Over to here. You just want to anchor it. Then you would take your plate. So then you would take your license plate and you would guide it up in front of these tabs, and then take some self-tapping screws, line them up with the pre-cut holes in the plate bracket. And don't drop it. Apparently this is harder than it looks.